Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. Now click on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Following that, tap on one of your apps, in my case Firefox, and apply the best option for you, allow or deny. I want to set up allow, so when I click and go back, as you can see, Firefox just gained access to my device's camera. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Microphone to manage my Chrome. Now, instead of picking one of those options, tap on See All Chrome Permissions over here. Then adjust all of those features to the chosen app, like storage. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!